woke up to the sound of wind. Morning light falls all through the window. Footsteps fading on the forest trail. Dreams still dancing in the morning air. Whispers of the pines, they call my name. Stories in the sky, they never change. I follow where the stillness goes, down the pathway. Sings beneath the misty veil. Moves like letters in a silent tale. The past is just a shadow. But here and now the world stands still. Whispers of the pines, they call my name. Stories in the sky, they never change. I follow where stillness goes, down the path that if you listen, you might hear it too. The voice of the wild that's calling.